Okay, so I just finished batch cooking. It is so hot right now that I don't want to turn the oven on in the heat of the day, but it went on this morning. I've been avoiding it, but we're getting low in quick, easy, accessible, healthy, delicious foods. So I wanted to just give you a little shot of what I did in case it inspires you. It is so easy. Here we go. Oh, I can't flip it, so oh, excuse me. So all I did was chop up. We got a bunch of Brussels sprouts. So here I just sliced them in half and chopped up some onion, and I sprinkled them with a little bit of olive oil, some garlic powder, sea salt or Himalayan salt, pepper, and fresh lime over top. So those are the Brussels sprouts that I will then put in containers in the fridge, so they're super easy for snacks. They're actually really delicious. Well, not like chocolate cake delicious, but delicious for Brussels sprouts with Dijon mustard on top, if you're lowering calorie and fat intake. Then we have broccoli. So I just took a whole head of broccoli and I chopped them up pretty in like big chunks. I washed it, chopped it up, and I also chopped it up with some onion, and I sprinkled olive oil, salt, pepper, and lemon on top of this. And then I also threw in, can you see, garlic, just the rest of my sort of smaller garlics that I find super kind of fiddly to try to shell. And then so I just put some oil on top, and then they are so easy. You just squeeze them and they just, oops, shoot, fell on the floor. Here we go. So can you see, so easy to get out afterwards. I'll rinse that later. Okay, next up is zucchini. I had 3 zucchinis, so I sliced them in half, and then, or I cut them in half, and then I sliced them lengthwise in 4s, and I just laid them out on the pan here. So this, I just drizzled in olive oil, again, some sea salt, pepper, what did I do with these? I can't remember if I did lemon or lime, but I did one of the two. And then sprinkled with fresh chopped garlic. So that's the brown bits, is roasted garlic. I also sprinkled these a little bit with some, yeast, nutritional yeast. So that's that. They are really good cold, actually. Next, I've got some extra firm tofu. I just cubed up, again, just slice it lengthwise and then chop. Super fast, really easy. Just put them in a bowl, and then I drizzled with, I normally like amino acids or Bragg's or something, but we ran out and I actually couldn't find them. So we have extra light or light sodium soy sauce with no artificial colors or flavors, and I just kind of like doused gently this tofu with that, so you can see they're marinating. There's not a ton of soy sauce, but just enough to kind of cover. And then I just kind of tip it around, make sure that they get even. I'm heading off to the gym right now, so I didn't have time to throw this in the oven, but all this kind of cooked together. So again, it's really fast, goes by very quickly. And then finally, I have not done this before, but I think it'll make a really big difference, is here we have frozen edamame beans and frozen peas. Now I know that they are really accessible in the freezer as well, but we just don't tend to go to the freezer, and they're really great toppers for salads. So I just put them in separate containers. They're just thawing right now, and I'll throw them in the fridge so that they are ready to go. They'll be thawed out, they're going to be cold, and they're going to be great in this heat, either as snacks, just quick like num finger snacks, or if you top them on top of any kind of salad that you might make. They're great as like aesthetics, toppers on so many other things, whether it's pasta or, you know, like not necessarily salad stuff, roasted vegetables. I don't know, you can use your imagination, but they actually make the meal look really great, and they add protein and nutritional content. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a great day and stay cool in this heat.